you guys put in offers all the time, right? So most people doing these events, I realize people get greedy. And one of the things that I do at the event is I'll say, okay, you put in an offer, you want to sell it as a wrap. And I'll explain more what it is after, but your exit is going to be this way. So now put an offer to the seller that will make sense, right? To make it fit for what you're trying to do. Well, most people want the seller, to lowball the seller. And then when they go and resell that property, they want to sell it for as high as possible. So they're the middle person, they're going to get paid the most, right? Well, what ends up happening is, think about this. I'm the seller and I have 10 people giving me offers. So in a class scenario, you give me a low ball offer because if it's just you and me, I'm going to take your offer. That's the only one I have. But when we have a whole bunch of people in class, I'm going to take the best offer from the group. So you just lost the deal. So you lost everything because you got greedy. So it's kind of like worse reality because sellers get offers from a lot of other people. Now, let's talk about buyers. Buyers, sometimes, some people like to work on one deal at a time. Some of them just have enough, funds for one deal at a time. So if you just finish one deal, you're going to be looking at the best deal there for you. So most middle people try to get the most lowball the seller and try to sell as high as possible to the buyer. You're not making your buyer successful. So what ends up happening? Your buyer didn't buy your house. They bought somebody else that gave them a better deal. So this is kind of goes like a little bit both ways because you're giving a good offer. Man, I'm going to make a lot of money. Yeah, nice try because you didn't even get the deal and your buyer didn't even buy anything from you. So you got nothing. It's kind of like how reality works.